I compete in Lincoln Douglas debate. I love my event. It's an opportunity to express myself and really express my character and what I believe in. I think debate as an activity is something that all students should aspire for and something that I encourage all people to participate in. There's a wide range of events in which allow for different forms of expression that people would find really unique to the character. I think in counting, tournament-wise during the season, I've won about 9 or 10 tournaments. I've advanced at the Texas Forensic Association state competition, which is a competition where you have to garner 10 points. I've advanced in UIL district. I made it to nationals after national qualifiers and this TOC debate. Every time I have a question, which is all the time, they're always there to answer it and always modifying my cases and ensuring that I excel at tournaments. I like to recite over and over and over again all my cases. It takes fluidity and it takes a lot of effort just reading my cases and doing a lot of research. ChatGPT is like my best friend. Next year, I'm dropping my event after regionals, and we're gonna go into CX with my partner Ethan Barchok. I'm gonna do an informative speech and Congress.
I've competed in Congress, Extemp, LD, and CX. So my favorite event is probably Extemp. I love competing in these just because it's a great opportunity to just not only find your voice, but it just boosts your confidence in public speaking.